especially now with what's going on with inflation and just everything is out of control. It's just nuts. And like the average person is just kind of suffocating right now because if you think you're gonna just work more hours to maybe get into something, some property, it's just not the case with the price of gas and food and portion sizes getting smaller. Like you need real estate to take you to that next level. And tax lien and deed investing is one of the best ways humanly possible, in my opinion, to do it. And it's even more relevant than ever to use this business now as your stepping stone to get into this, right? Because the best time to get into real estate was 20 years ago or today or tonight. Like you can literally take this information, you can go watch some more videos on the channel and really get into this business. So if you guys are liking this stuff, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're watching this stuff for the first time. I'm Dustin Hahn. This channel is dedicated to helping the average man or woman get started with tax liens and deeds to create freedom for themselves, to learn how to speak English. I'm always open to improving that as well. So tonight we're chatting about some of the costly tax deed mistakes to avoid getting into this. Okay, so the next thing you want to be aware of is what's the surrounding, like what neighborhood is this property? And some people will say like, oh, it's only junk property. That's not the case at all, right? But be aware, like, is the property in a bad neighborhood where maybe it's going to be harder to sell? Like for me, I'll buy pretty much anywhere if I'm buying something for 10 cents on the dollar, right? But you need to be aware of the neighborhood. You can use something called areavibes.com and it will give you the details on that area to help you determine, is it a good area, is it a bad area, and things like that. So let's see here. So someone's saying here, Dustin, how do you do a title search? So there's 3,300 counties out there. Every county is going to classify it a little bit differently. The first thing you can do is just type in the name of that county tax assessor, start pulling up the tax records and start looking at the title through the assessor's office and see what's going on for that. It'll definitely help you do that title research. I'm just looking. Let's see here. So the question, Michael Jordan, holy cow. Michael Jordan is here tonight. Retired from basketball, joining the party. How much did I make on the deal when I didn't go back to work? Yeah. So my first deal was like $15,000 and that was, bought it for 42, sold it for 20. So that was enough for me to have the confidence to do it. But like, with my story, I was sick and tired. So I literally got a couple credit cards and just started buying property, cash advancing, whatever it took, because I knew that I just didn't want to go back to work.